Okay, why choose physics? The short version. Some of it might be because you want to understand the world around you in a little bit more detail or a little bit more in depth, have a better understanding, better appreciation about the world you live in. That's kind of why I fell in love with physics. Some of you may need it for uni, engineering programs, definitely some physics required for some of them, and some other sciencey type subjects like physiotherapy. It can be assumed knowledge for those subjects, for those university degrees. It might be that you enjoy the challenge of problem solving in maths or sciencey type ways, and physics is the bridge between maths and the sciences, I guess. And we get to solve a lot of problems, not using necessarily the maths, but doing pracs and demos and things like that. So we have to test you on some stuff because year 12 you have exams. We need to prepare you for those exams. Tests are like the pre-season training for the grand final that is the exam. We do some assignments. So there's a science of the human endeavour task where you unpack a problem in context. So what does it mean for society? Who did that science? Why did they do that science? Who made decisions about who was paying them to do that science? We do a deconstruction and design investigation where you will get given a problem or have a problem yourself. You deconstruct the problem and work out ways in which you can probably solve that problem. I use a lot of flip learning, also video stuff in my classes, and that gives me a lot of time to do lots of pracs. So some of them formative, occasionally summative, and lots of demos that you guys get to play with stuff and interact with it. One of those demos, laser pointer, fibre optic cable, really big fat fibre optic cable. You shoot the laser pointer through it and you can see the light going through. That if I do this, I'm sending ones and zeros. Those ones and zeros make up binary code or our binary code. That's data. That's how your Snapchats get to your mates during class time. Put your phones away. The other thing that we've got going for us is because I'm bloody good at my job and I know my content really, really well. I know how and why the stage 2 stuff, so the year 12 stuff, is done the way it is. I can, and I have restructured the year 11 course so that you get heaps of choice and you kind of get to choose these things about the topics that we're covering, so that we do stuff that you find more interesting and do stuff learn about things that you find more interesting, and they still prepare you really, really well for year 12. Alright, so if you've got any questions, come and find me. I'm in the science office. I realise I'm pointing behind me, but that's actually at the back of your YouTube video right now, so that's not useful, but I'm currently in my lab filming this thing on a Wednesday lesson 6. So come upstairs during care group and find me. Look out for me doing course counselling. Come say hi to me when we're over in the rec centre on tomorrow Arvo, or yesterday Arvo, or last week Arvo, whenever you're watching this, and ask me any questions you might have.